Good morning, boys and girls. It's good to be back with you again. Let's have our morning hug. I hope you've had a good weekend and a good week. Now, today, Mrs. Deitz wants to talk about a penguin. Do you know what a penguin is? Let's see if we can think about some facts. Now, when we talk about things and about books, remember we've talked about real books and make-believe books. Well, this book is going to be a little bit of both. We're going to talk about penguins, which are very real, and then it's going to be a make-believe story about a penguin. Now, can anybody tell me, let's think about the facts first. Can anybody tell me where penguins live? Very good. It has to be in very cold weather, doesn't it? Where you have snow and you have ice, places where it's very cold. Alaska, Antarctica, the North Pole, the South Pole, the places where it never gets very warm. Penguins have to live in the very cold. Now, if we look at the penguin, I love the penguin has a white front and black. It almost looks like that penguin is wearing a tuxedo. This is a little penguin, and we're going to talk about him in a make-believe story just in a few minutes. But first, I want you to stand up with Mrs. Deitz. Now, penguins don't have legs like we do. And when we walk, we can move our legs. But penguins pretty much just move their feet. So I want you to put your hands down to your side and not move your knees, but just move your feet. And we're going to walk like a penguin. Penguins have to walk kind of funny, don't they? And the name for that is usually called just kind of waddling along. Now let's sit back down and remember what Mrs. Deitz says. Crisscross applesauce and clean your ears because we're going to talk about our story. This is about little penguins' hiccups. Let's turn the page and see what we find out. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. And we have a penguin, see, he's on ice. And we have his penguin friends, but look, this penguin's fishing. Is that real or make-believe? And this penguin was talking to us. Is that real or make-believe? I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last night on chilly night. Hick. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. See the penguin? Still on the ice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Look, he's standing on his head. Let's see if he gets rid of the hiccups. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Let's see if he gets rid of them. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backwards from a cup. Nothing worked. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Now I want you to help Mrs. Deitz and listen very carefully. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Are you ready? Now you help Mrs. Deitz. 1, 2, 3, boo. Look here. He was afraid of that little boo. Let's see if it got rid of these hiccups. Hic! Oh my, he still has the hiccups. Is that it? I think we better try again. Louder this time. Okay, are you ready? We're going to have to do it louder. You help Mrs. Deitz. 1, 2, 3, boo! Well, that scared him. He's even shaken. Let's see if that got rid of those hiccups. Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my still not gone. Those hiccups are still not gone. Will I have hiccups forever? He's getting very sad. Okay, we're going to do this one more time. You get ready to help Mrs. Deitz, and this time it's going to have to be very loud. So just shout and go crazy with that boo. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, what happened? Roar! Look here. What happened? We didn't even get to say boo. What is that? What came up to scare him? Let's see what we have. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare. And then you go and jump out at me, so now my feathers are all wet and my mom will go bonkers. Because she just washed my feathers the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Wait, hold on a second. What happened? My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Look at Franklin. He's even smiling because he got rid of the hiccups. Now, what do you think is going to happen with that spicy taco? What's he going to get again? Do you think he's going to get hiccups again? Well, boys and girls, you have a really good day. And think about some facts about penguins today. Maybe your teachers would even have a picture to show you, or when you go home you could find a picture of a penguin. But let's just think a little bit about what penguins do today. You have a good day, and Mrs. Deitz will see you next week. Goodbye.